Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered his 12th consecutive Independence Day address from the Red Fort, the longest by any Prime Minister, lasting 103 minutes. The speech outlined measures across the economy, technology, defense, internal security, energy, and agriculture. The Prime Minister said that self-reliance or Atmanirbharta remains central to national self-respect. He emphasized that it is not limited to trade balances but is linked to the country's own capabilities. On economic reforms, he announced two task forces. One for second-generation goods and services tax reforms, expected to bring relief in the prices of essential goods by Diwali, and another for next-generation economic reforms. He also announced the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana, a 1 lakh crore rupees employment scheme offering grants to first-time employees and incentives for companies to hire. MSMEs will see reduced compliance costs and protection from arbitrary legal actions. On the technology front, India's first Made in India semiconductor chips are planned for launch by the end of 2025. 6 semiconductor units are operational and 4 more have been approved. The government will focus on AI cybersecurity, deep tech, and operating systems. In defense, he announced that India will develop the Sudarshan Chakra shield weapon system by 2035 to protect military and civilian areas and carry out precision strikes. He urged young engineers to ensure Indian fighter jets have indigenous engines. On internal security, he said anti-Naxal operations had turned terror corridors into green corridors and announced a high-powered demographic mission to examine demographic changes in border areas. On agriculture and energy, the Prime Minister said India would work to reduce dependence on imported fertilizers, increase nuclear power capacity tenfold by 2047, and launch the National Deep Water Exploration Mission. He also announced the National Critical Minerals Mission to explore over 1,200 potential sites. For the first time in an Independence Day address, the Prime Minister praised the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh as it approaches its centenary, calling it one of the largest service organizations in the world. With this address, Prime Minister Modi surpassed Indira Gandhi's record for consecutive Independence Day speeches, second only to Jawaharlal Nehru.
अनाज के संबंध में देश को आत्मनिर्भर बना दिया। एक राष्ट्र के लिए आत्मसम्मान की सबसे बड़ी कसौटी आज भी उसकी आत्मनिर्भरता है। और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, विकसित भारत का आधार भी है आत्मनिर्भर भारत। जो दूसरों पर ज्यादा निर्भर रहता है, उसकी आजादी पर उतना ही बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह लग जाता है। और दुर्भाग्य तो तब बन जाता है जब निर्भरता की आदत लग जाए, पता ही ना चले हम कब आत्मनिर्भरता छोड़ रहे हैं और कब किसी के निर्भर हो जाते हैं। ये आदत खतरे से खाली नहीं है और इसलिए प्रतिपल जागरूक रहना पड़ता है आत्मनिर्भर होने के लिए। और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, आत्मनिर्भरता का नाता सिर्फ आयात और निर्यात, रुपये, पैसे, पाउंड, डॉलर यहां तक सीमित नहीं है। इतना सीमित अर्थ उसका नहीं है। आत्मनिर्भरता का नाता हमारे सामर्थ्य से जुड़ा हुआ है। और जब आत्मनिर्भरता खत्म होने लगती है तो सामर्थ्य भी निरंतर क्षीण होता जाता है।